I'm going to walk you through how to connect a keyboard and a mouse to your Yolobox Pro. Now, this Yolobox Pro is an amazing device, and I'm going to demonstrate it alongside two Osbot Tail Airs that I have connected to it as well. I was literally going through YouTube and watching some other content creators that talk about the Yolobox Pro and saw the channel Audio Hotline was using and demonstrating the Yolobox Pro with a mouse and a keyboard. I did not know you could use a mouse and a keyboard. I really didn't think about using a mouse and a keyboard until I saw that video. Here's how you do it. We're going to utilize the USB-C port on the Yolobox Pro along with the USB port on the Yolobox Pro. Now, when it comes to my keyboard and mouse, I'm going to link to everything in the product description, but this particular one is the Logitech K860, and my mouse that I'm going to be using is the Logitech MX Master 3. Now, with the keyboard itself and the mouse, they both come with USB dongles. And so it's pretty easy to figure out what I'm going to do for this first step. I'm going to take the USB dongle for the keyboard and plug it right into the USB port of the Yolobox Pro. Now, in order to connect the mouse to the Yolobox Pro, I'm actually going to be using an adapter. This is going to be my USB to USB-C adapter, and I'm going to plug the dongle that comes with the mouse into the adapter and plug the adapter into the Yolobox Pro. So now we have both devices plugged in. Now it works. So let's jump over to the Yolobox Pro, and as you can see, my mouse is on my screen, and I can actually click and switch between the two cameras that I have plugged in. Now let's switch this camera. Now, as you can see, I have the mouse here displayed on my screen of the Yolobox Pro. Now, I can easily go through and navigate and toggle the menus, like turning on my Amazon Live when I go live on Amazon, and I'll also link to that in the description so you can follow me over there, because I'm going to be talking about all this gear over there on that channel. And there's other areas that I can go into, like the audio mixer. I can click on the scoreboard, and these things work pretty seamlessly. However, there are areas on the Yolobox screen that I can't navigate with my mouse. So this is not 100% foolproof, but it does give you another option of how you want to navigate and control your Yolobox Pro. So let's go back out to our menu setting and show you the keyboard and how that works. So if I go to create a brand new event, we'll call this Amazon Live YoloBox and Osbot. And as you can see, I can easily type in the title of the live stream rather than having to finger type it letter by letter. We'll go ahead and click create. And we've easily created our next live stream. We can click and go into that live stream and navigate through our HDMI inputs and Amazon Live, and then we can just hit go live when we're ready to go live. So if you didn't know, now you know. This is just one of the cool things that you can do with your Yolobox Pro. If you guys are interested in more videos when it comes to live streaming gear and tech, make sure that you hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.